Hi kids, welcome back to our YouTube channel Hope to Glow. Kids, today we will learn few sentences that will help you in your daily life, daily routine in speaking English. So let's begin. There are few words as well and few sentences. Sentences are incomplete and we will complete those sentences, and you can complete those sentences when you are speaking at the moment according to the situation. Okay, so let's begin. I am afraid I can't. When you are afraid, जब आपको अफसोस हो, आप कोई काम नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो you can use this sentence. I am afraid I can't. मुझे अफसोस है, मैं नहीं कर सकता. Like मुझे गाड़ी चलानी नहीं आती, तो मैं उसको कैसे यूज़ करूँगी ये सेंटेंस? I am afraid I can't drive a car. मुझे अफसोस है, मैं गाड़ी नहीं चला सकता. Okay? Now let's see the next. Exactly, ठीक. Let's take an example. She was exactly on time. वो ठीक वक्त पर आई. You can use exactly according to the situation, what is happening. But the word exactly means ठीक. Okay? I am looking for. When you are finding something, so you can use this as the sentence I am looking for. Like मैं तलाश कर रहा हूँ. Like when you are if your watch you lost your watch, you can you can say it like I am looking for my watch. मैं अपनी घड़ी तलाश कर रहा हूँ. Okay. Now let's see the next sentence. I have telephoned. Telephoned. मैंने टेलीफोन कर दिया. Either you have he or she had picked the phone or not, and you are telling someone that I have telephoned, so you can use this sentence. Now let's see the next word. Absolutely. बिल्कुल. You can use this sentence. She was absolutely fine. वो बिल्कुल ठीक थी. Okay. Let's see the next sentence. I wish I could, but like when you want to do something but you can't because of any reason, so you can use this sentence. I wish I could, but मेरी ख्वाहिश थी मैं कर सकता लेकिन. Like if you don't have many money or you have any issue, you can put that issue and complete the sentence. I can't. Okay, let's see the next sentence. I can't. I'm afraid. Like if you are afraid of driving a car that you will cause an accident, so you can use this. I can't. I'm afraid of accident. मैं नहीं कर सकता. मुझे खदशा है हादसे का.